This video here is all about Burn Gummy gummies. It's a weight loss product, supposedly, and it has scam marketing. I'm going to tell you everything I know about this. Do not buy this product. That is my guidance. Don't go and buy something online that says it's attached to a gelatin trick or Jillian Michaels. In reality, Jillian Michaels never talked about this. Scammers have taken her videos, her image, her likeness, and they've manipulated her lip movement and vocals using deepfake AI technology to make it sound like she did talk about Burn Gummy and a gelatin trick for weight loss, a bariatric trick for weight loss, bariatric gelatin that is, or salty gelatin, and she never talked about that ever. And so this is a video here that I saw on a website. It ends up at the very end revealing to you this is about Burn Gummy gummies, not about a gelatin trick like it's going to claim at the beginning of the video. The gelatin trick is a marketing tool strategy that people came up with, likely in Brazil, to fool people into making purchases of this product. It's to hook them to watch the entire video because you're watching, okay, when are they going to reveal the gelatin recipe? And they never do. It is a lie. They're going to try to sell you the product and any other YouTube videos claiming to offer reviews that then try to get you to go and buy a product in a pinned comment or the description with a link or something. Those people are fraudsters as well. They're trying to sell you on scams based upon lies about miracle weight loss routines and supplements and all that kind of stuff, and it's not true. Let's hit play on this video right here. If you're looking around for information about Burn Gummy gummies or Jillian Michaels gelatin trick for weight loss, this is very scammy. I'm not calling the product itself a scam, but I'm saying the Jillian Michaels stuff, the gelatin trick promise, all that is as scammy as it gets. Scam marketing. Hit like down below to help my video succeed and arrive on the screens of other people. The like button is big.
In the next 30 seconds, I'm going to reveal the entire gelatin trick recipe to you. Unlike these fake specialists and scammers who only promise and never reveal the true recipe to you. My name is Jillian Michaels. I'm a personal trainer and known for being quite extremist on social media. I always recommended lots of exercise and very restricted diets for my patients until I learned through a great friend the gelatin recipe. I decided to test it on my patients and even on famous clients like Michelle Obama and Serena Williams. And their results were incredible.
No doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people ever endorsed or tried this product. This is all very scammy. The product at the very end of this whole video, they finally revealed to you after like an hour. It's called Burn Gummy. It's like a gummies product. If you're looking for Burn Gummy reviews, gummy reviews, whatever, hopefully my video will help you understand this all involves scammy marketing and is not going to have the miracle promises fulfilled that they're claiming here. It's all very scammy, all the marketing. There's no legitimate marketing that I can tell from anywhere. This is just the latest product name, Burn Gummy. There are so many other product names I've made videos for. It's probably the same product, just over and over repackaged with the same, or with a different name rather.
There's nothing as powerful and potent for fat burning as this gelatin recipe because it releases enzymes that activate fat burning hormones, GLP-1 and GIP, the same ones that expensive pens imitate.
The gelatin recipe was incredible for me. In the first 15 days, I lost 9 pounds. And at the end of 2 months, I was 41 pounds lighter. And no, I didn't need surgery or any weight loss medication. I would never go through something that wasn't natural. And the best part is I still eat my sweets, which have always been my weakness.
Now, see this mother, one of my patients who lost the most weight without needing restrictive diets and tiring exercises, using the gelatin trick just once a day.
I hired Jillian Michaels to help me lose weight with exercise. And for a month, we did the right protocol. And I only managed to lose 8 pounds during 30 days. Until she introduced me to the gelatin trick. In the first 15 days, I lost more than 16 pounds. At the end of 1 month, I ended up losing 32 pounds of soft fat from my postpartum belly. Besides making my skin firmer, because gelatin is rich in collagen, and it ends that annoying body bloating.
Ladies, grab paper and pen and write down this gelatin recipe, because if this mixture of 4 ingredients doesn't make you lose weight, not even diets and exercise will.
Why did eating 1 cube per day of this strange gelatin trick make Serena Williams lose 54 pounds in 90 days without dieting or exercising?
Okay, first off, it said 9 days on the screen, not 90. And second, Serena Williams has nothing to do with this. Like I said, no one famous, doctors, celebrities, or anyone has anything to do with this product. This is a scam marketing video. All of this, the product, the marketing video, everything is a carefully packaged package. I don't know another word. A carefully packaged system to deliver money to people who obviously are, in terms of the marketing here, are engaging in fraudulent content, of course. And some of these products come with subscription charges of hundreds of dollars a month. Money back guarantees aren't honored. Big surprise. Lots of terrible things happening with this and thousands of other online medicinal product scams just like this, with a long video, with a supposed recipe involving something in a pantry, and involving a lot of money if you fall for it.
I'm Jillian Michaels, celebrity expert and the creator of this new homemade trick.
Now, you could see there, those women stirring, it looked like they were all AI completely. Those people were not real from what I can tell. And the way that I know that is I'm a reporter during the day. I make these videos on nights and weekends, and I can tell looking at things that they're going to be AI, that look like AI. I'm not saying confidently, but Jillian Michaels, again, has nothing to do with this. And they keep using her, scammers do, I assume because this is a successful strategy for them. The scammers also have these sorts of scams, not just for Burn Gummy and weight loss, but for overcoming dementia, Alzheimer's, and diabetes, and nerve pain. They claim that they have miracles that can help you out. So that says a lot about the people behind these scams, their values, no matter what else they do. That's their values, that they want to prey on desperate people and try to victimize them. And that goes for the YouTube users on channels that for some reason, on very popular music channels and very popular sports, wrestling channels, soccer channels, suddenly out of nowhere, there started being videos trying to promote these scams. And that's because those channels are being paid by people trying to promote the scams to channels with large followings so that those videos get more recognition. And why would, YouTube allow that, right? YouTube's going to do something. No, YouTube has been told about this before. Directly, YouTube employees, real people in the US, person to person. And they said, well, we don't see anything wrong with this, basically. Paraphrasing.
You're going to learn this today, and it will leave you with no choice but to burn 2750 or even 74 pounds in the next few weeks. Seriously, I'll tear up my diploma if this doesn't happen.
I'll tear up my diploma. Why did she say tear? Because it's an AI-generated voice of Jillian Michaels. She's supposed to say tear up, right? But she said tear because the AI tool that generated her fake vocals for this video didn't get that right.
And since I'm tired of people asking me all day long how to do this at home, in less than 2 minutes, I'm going to reveal everything right now and only here.
People laugh when I say I lost 77 pounds just by doing a gelatin trick once a day, but it's true. It all started when Jillian Michaels called me and asked a very strange question. Do you have gelatin at home? At the time, I weighed 159 pounds and kept hearing people say I'd never get my athletic body back after having my second child.
All right, we don't need to watch any more of this. This is all about Burn Gummy. It's a bottle of gummies that supposedly has miracle properties, according to the marketing that's out there, the scam marketing. And the people who are running the scam marketing will try to get you to go and buy the product on ClickBank at the end of the video. And on that page, it'll say there's no auto ship. We promise, right? But it probably has a subscription of hundreds of dollars a month. If it doesn't, fine. But like the fact that so many of these different scams do, these scam marketing attempts, it's got a fake review score on the ClickBank page, has a 9.3 out of 10 based upon 36,000 reviews. That's completely fake. Fraudulent. It's made up. And the people who made the page know that. So Burn Gummy, don't buy it. Even outside the scam marketing, no, it's not going to have miracle properties. This is an attempt to get your money, a lot of your money. Don't fall for it. Go see a doctor. And if you've been to see a doctor, go see another doctor. Ask a family member, a friend, someone, hey, who's your doctor? Oh, you like them? Go do that. That's much better than going and falling for a textbook online scam. Again, Jillian Michaels has nothing to do with this, nor do any other celebrities or doctors. The video that you saw was deepfake AI marketing. And if you're wondering why these celebrities and famous doctors don't do anything about this, I don't know. Maybe they're trying to. Maybe it's difficult to find the people behind them. There are lots of websites that host these lengthy deepfake AI marketing videos. And so maybe it's hard to keep them all down. I don't know. But the best thing you can do, report fraud to the FTC, call your credit card company if you got scammed and say, what can I do? I don't want to get hit with subscription charges in a month, every 30 days, and just be proactive. This is about Burn Gummy reviews. If you're looking at Burn Gummy gummies reviews and you want information, I hope that I've been able to help you. Like, comment, subscribe, and join button is down below. That's a big one. Thank you for watching.